Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the navy steel color that comes on Bespoke appliances. We have the range in navy steel, the lower panels on this Bespoke refrigerator in navy steel, and we have the navy steel microwave. So I'm trying to catch the colors. I'm going to do a close-up because I had a reader that is really interested in the blue, what it looks like in person, because you can't get these in stores. You have to order them, and the range especially took us like 3 months to get. So let's get a close-up now. This is the control panel for the range. They have illuminated knobs, so you can tell easily that they're on or off. The color is a beautiful color. Now, I especially like this part. This control button here. You dial in, say, convection, bake, air fry, convection roast. Then you just push the button, dial in your heat, push the button again, push to start, or you can set your cook time. So you can set your cook time for 1 hour, how many minutes, and when you want the oven off. When it gets to a certain setting, keep the oven off or keep the temperature, keep it warm. There's lots of choices. So I really like that. And over here you got your warming center, on and off, different levels, oven light. It's got Wi-Fi, tells you when the oven is done. It'll tell you on your anything you have that's Samsung, it comes across a screen on your television set. Cook time is getting almost finished. Cook time is done. So here's the microwave, navy steel. Like I said, the lighting, we need the lighting because this room's a little bit on the dark side and you wouldn't be able to see the blue if I didn't light it. So this is the Clementine. And this is the navy steel. Now the appliances have been great. We have not had any issues with them. Now on this oven, it comes with a temperature probe. You can dial in your temperature, plug that in. We cooked a turkey in here. We set the probe on a certain temperature, and when it got to the certain temperature, the oven shuts itself off. It was very user-friendly and easy to operate. So I hope this helps you with the color. Have a great day.